Has the Supreme Court shifted its stance on a special court for insurrection cases? The Supreme Court, initially opposed, has proposed a plan for the dedicated court. However, it emphasized random case assignment. Meanwhile, the Democratic Party insists on keeping the court's recommendation committee, leaving a gap between their positions. Reporter Cho Il-ho.
Concerns were raised about the dedicated court for insurrection and its unconstitutional nature, as suggested by the Democratic Party. The Supreme Court has decided to set up a dedicated court to review cases with major national impact, such as insurrection and treason under criminal and military law. The core of the plan is to ensure fairness by applying the principle of random assignment to these cases. Given the timeline, the new court will likely handle appeals of ongoing first-instance insurrection cases. A Supreme Court official explained that, as the court will focus only on the relevant cases, the 3-month ruling guideline for appeals in the special law will be properly followed. The Supreme Court proposed a compromise, but the Democratic Party plans a plenary session next week to pass the law establishing a special court for insurrection cases. Under the bill, judges for the Special Insurrection Court are not randomly assigned. Instead, they are recommended by a committee made up of members from judicial councils and the National Conference of Judges' Representatives.
Even if not a majority, the National Conference of Judges' Representatives can also recommend members to the selection committee. That is what is currently being drafted.
If the establishment law passes in the National Assembly, the Supreme Court's dedicated court rules are expected to be scrapped as the law takes precedence. MBN News, Cho Il-ho.